call is a regular verb, and we know that in a regular verb, basically what happens? The V2 and V3 are ED only, are in the ED form only. So V1 is called, V2 is called, and V3 is also called. Okay, irregular verbs, they don't have ED. So for example, it's write. So the V1 will be write, V2 will be wrote, V3 will be written. Making sense? Now let's understand where to use these verb forms. So when I talk about a routine habit or a regular action, I will use V1. Okay? So we will not just say present, past and future. We will say regular actions, completed actions, future actions, ongoing actions. When you speak like this, you do tenses better. Okay? So I call my friends every day. Regular actions. So when the action is regular, we use the V1 form. Make sense? I call my friends every day. Suppose you don't call. What will you say? I do not call. मतलब ये मेरा रूटीन नहीं है, एक बार का नहीं, रूटीन में नहीं है. Are you clear? Yes. Same cheese if I put for he, she. So I have to put the S. He calls his friends daily, every time. He does not call. So when I am using the first form of the verb, it is for a regular action. Regularly call करता है, regularly call नहीं करता. Are you clear? So this is regular action. Regular action means V1. Don't say present past. Regular action V1. Okay? Now one time and it's over. So V2. I called yesterday. I called. So regular action V1. One time completed V2. Okay? And same चीज अगर नहीं किया तो I did not call. Remember, do not, does not या did not के बाद V1 ही यूज होता है. After do not, does not or did not, कोई भी टेंस हो V1. ठीक है? Then future में एक बार, then it is will plus V1. I will call tomorrow. One time. Are you clear? So what you see in this red color is indicating the time and the change in tense. What you see in the bracket is the usage of that tense. Are you clear? So I will call tomorrow one time. So let's repeat. I call every day. He, she calls every day. I called one time complete. I will call tomorrow one time future. Make sense? काम अभी चल रहा है, इसी moment चल रहा है. I am calling. Okay, so wait, I am calling someone. Wait. Are you clear? So suppose she is telling me something and I say, okay, just a moment, I am calling someone. अभी call चल रहा है. Are you clear? So I am calling now. So जो action अभी इसी वक्त right now हो रही है, then I will say calling. क्यों? क्योंकि वो now है और incomplete है. यही चीज अगर past में incomplete, then I will say I was calling. Okay, I was calling him so many times, but he was not responding. So past में there are two possibilities. या वो action incomplete है या दो actions एक साथ चल रहे हैं, then I will use was plus ing. For example, writing. I was writing, he was dictating. वो बोल रहा था, I was writing. So दो actions अगर साथ में हो रहे हैं, I will use ing. या फिर incomplete है तो भी I will use was plus ing. I was calling, he was not responding. I was writing, he was dictating. Make sense? Yes? And present में is run plus ing. Okay? So once again, call daily, called yesterday, one time over, will call future, one time. Clear? Calling now, abhi, was calling, not responding. Okay, Jariya? Now, has, have कैसे आता है? Always remember, has, have go with the third form of the verb. Has, have, had जो perfect tense होता है, blindly put V3. So what is our V3? Called. तो has, have के साथ called. So I have called. Now you say, फिर I called और have called में फर्क क्या? So again, see the bracket. I called one time over. तो what is have called? ये past की action है, but present में अभी तक the situation is on. Suppose party चल रही है. Party is on. What will I tell her? Hey, you know what? I have called everybody. Right? Party अभी भी चल रही है, पर call कब किया मैंने? Call किया कल, पर party तो अभी भी चल रही है ना? Are you clear? So look at this beautiful party. I have called all my friends. Action of past. Call. discussed in present. So जो past की action present में discuss होती है तो जाके have लिखता है. You know what? I have called all my friends. Have जब he she के साथ आता है तो has में बदलता है. So now have and has have the same meaning. Meaning में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It's a grammatical rule that he, she या name. If this comes, we have to put has. Is that making sense? Clear to you?
For single name also, Vishal. So Vishal has.
Vishal has. Vishal has. Are you clear? So Vishal has called many friends.
But if I say Rahul and Vishal, then have will.
Wonderful. Vishal has invited, but Rahul and Vishal have invited. So एक name. This is called third person single. So third person singular में always has. Make sense? Now finally comes your had. Had कब use होता है? Double past. Is always called as past का past. इसमें दोनों actions completed है. Are you clear? I had invited Rahul, but he did not come. अब राहुल नहीं आया, past tense. मैंने राहुल को invite किया, उसका भी past tense. तो पहले क्या हुआ? Invited. So I had invited, he did not come. Am I making sense? Yes? Clear? So this is called as double past tense. So what is the difference between say called and had called? Called में एक action. Over. Had called double past. What is the difference between was calling and had called? Was calling is incomplete. Incomplete. Had called is double past और दोनों completed. Am I making sense? So this is called as double past or basically past का past.